Discover the essential components of IT infrastructure, including hardware and software, on the first ever IT TV of Pakistan by Imtech International. There are two main components of IT infrastructure, one hardware, two software. The components of hardware are desktop/laptop computers, servers, data centers, hubs, routers, switches, facilities. The components of software are operating systems, device drivers, web servers, content management systems, enterprise resource planning (ERPs). Learn about the differences between traditional and cloud IT infrastructure and how they impact cost and accessibility. There are two types of IT infrastructure, one traditional IT infrastructure, two cloud IT infrastructure. Read the slide for both types. Discover the first ever IT TV in Pakistan, offering personalized training and consultancy in IT/ERP. Contact us for more information on WhatsApp and join us on Facebook for informative videos in Urdu and English. Please subscribe our channel, like and share videos. Protecting our content with copyright laws.